this gives a detail in a dress, which like elaborates, just like making a simple figure. We've just put these things and two lines and a small rectangle which looks like a bag. Now this is it's a woman. Now we'll go more. We'll make a old man, old woman. So the same we do. We make a two triangles.
ठीक है.
Everyone can see. Circle. Now we make hand. We make
ठीक है, ठीक है.
now we can just put one straight line which looks like a stick. So you can see this just by introducing one stick. It looks like a person walking with a stick on the road. Am I going a bit fast or is okay the speed? Okay, thank you. Now, same thing, if I make, instead of going diagonal, I can make a line bit curvish. Like the same thing but bit more curve. Now this looks like an old man walking with a stick. Just because by giving small angle to the X,
Pass.
it looks
Pass law.
he's leaning. What's that?
Pass law.
Okay.
Shift. Shift to your right. Right.
Can everyone see?
Yeah.
So you can see now. This looks like a small boy. So if you see, still the basics are same. This is the basic thing, the basic figure, which was like an X, a small circle for head, hand and leg. Then we just put small characters and the whole thing changed from a boy to girl, from a man to a woman. Now these are the basic characters which we use for Warli paintings. So now this is done, the practice is done. Let's go for the main thing. So till now, can you just show me what have you done, please? Or am I fast, slow? Should I? Can I just see what are you people doing? Okay, cool. That's nice. And then we have Holi. We have we play with colors, and we have fire a day before. We burn fire. So generally, these people they paint all this thing on their wall. So now one more character. So now my top line will be ready. So I'm going to make a person with a flute. So just same X. Head with the flute. The best part about this painting is you don't have to be very perfect of what you're doing. Even if you make mistake, is okay, like, because this is a tribal art. They are not artists or something like that. They just want to express their feelings, their emotions, basically through the drawing. So just you can see now I just introduce flute. you know, like no, this line looks like this characters now. There's playing, they're fighting and they're celebrating. So my top line is ready.
राइट में लो उसको। रुको।
And then the last pair. Making a small boy. And a girl. Fill it. The more detailing you do, the more beautiful it looks. Same thing, do it down. Just again, I will fill this. You don't have to be very perfect. The size of triangles and everything, it can be, um, but just try to keep it neat. And just make again small circles. And yes, your drawing is done. Wing, it can be seen.
Yes.
Yeah, you see now. If I just fold this part, it looks like a full composition.
Bring it a little ahead.
Now, as if you have time, you can just fill these things, make it more. All these spaces, you can just, if you want, you can fill things. But this is more than enough, I think. Now, this can be a wall painting. You can just frame it. You can make it like a greeting card.